Get it while it's hot, the Dude Mungus 3000.
What do you want from me?
No monkey.
Okay, next we're gonna do that. It is dark. Next we're gonna put on this integrated tail light. And it is dark in the garage, so I'm apologize for the lighting in advance. But this is the direct plug and play, no splicing or anything needed. So we're gonna jump into it. We're gonna remove the rear seat.
No
and
monkey.
Remove the rear seat. Then we're gonna remove these side panels so we can get this seat off. And then we're gonna remove this whole tail section. So stay tuned and we'll get to rocking. First time getting in the back seat. Let me just let you guys know what we're doing because it's gonna be hard to see. We're taking off this, and then this side panel should pull out, and then underneath here, we got these tabs we gotta take out. We got these tabs we gotta take out. 1, 2, 2 on each side, so it should be 4 tabs. So it really shouldn't be that bad. Sorry guys, just realized I was in the wrong camera mode. It's heck, so this should be coming through a lot brighter. But yeah, so I am really excited to install this integrated tail light and get rid of this daggum monstrosity. Got to go. I'm just really trying to clean up the look of the bike. So this really shouldn't be too bad. So let's go ahead and jump into it. And I can't even lie. This jigsaw seems really easy to work on. I mean, stupid easy. So I'm just about to do the same thing I did on this side. Same thing I did on that side, I'm about to do it to this side. So this takes a 5mm so you can get the front seat off. Hitman always laughs at me. He's like, don't you have T-handles? I have 2 sets of T-handles. I don't know. I like these better for some reason. I like using these better. That should do it for the seat. This is my first time under the seat. Nice. Got a lithium battery coming too. Jack, be quick. We got a lithium battery coming too. Got to drop some weight. When I take bolts out, I leave them on the same side I took them out on. And I'm not perfect because you will forget sometimes where did that come from, but generally speaking, I'm not gonna forget where it came from. Shout out to Hitman for letting me borrow his rear stand too. I need to get some. Y'all know, Duck. I got the Ducati stand, but I need to get a stand for inline double-sided swing arm now. Pulling these things out for the first time will make you nervous. I got some silicone spray, so after this it should be good. And that is so cool. They made this so easy to take apart. This whole back piece just came apart. And because this is working so smooth, I will try to put up the time that it took me to do this job in totality. Because I know I'm gonna edit it down, and you know what I didn't do? I didn't give you a before and an after. So that's my bad on that. My bad on it. Oh, just pull it and pull it to the side, man. So, oh, you got one bolt right here. Just holding it right through here. Idiot area.
I was just bringing it right here.
What you think of the front of the bike, babe?
It looks good like that.
You know what I did?
Yeah, you took those little clicker things off.
And I took the mirrors off too. It's just clean.
I mean, it looks good, but you know I like the mirrors.
I know you like the idea of me being able to see.
Yeah.
But I can see. Trust me, I can see. No problem. Get this light going. All right, dude and dudettes. Got the tail section off, which is really surprising. So now we're just working on these. We got to disconnect the. Oh gosh, I need a light. We got to disconnect these 2 connectors, 1, 2, and then disconnect that one. Plug up the new one, and we are done. We will test it out. But dude, that's it. Also has a little dang zip tie. It's a reusable zip tie right there. Had to undo that as well. Just to give me space. Tail light is out. I'm almost thinking I should have gone with red so it can break up some of the gray. But you know what, it is what it is at this point. If it bothers me that much, I'll just order a red one. I love that this system is plug and play. When they shipped it out, they even put my name on it. Now the stock one does have a grommet on there that a rubber grommet that I'm gonna need to replace over to this new one. So we're gonna get this disconnected, and then we will we'll finish this bad boy up. You just got to double check that you got it plugged in right. Cuts on, brake works, flashers work. Let's hit left side, and that's the wrong side. So now I know I need to switch it. With this particular kit, the blue will go with the black. I tried blue with blue, that just didn't work. So blue goes with black, and your yellow is gonna go with blue. Let's try it again just to double check. All right, now we're going left. You got left, we got right, and we got hazards. Bam, we up in that piece. So now I can work on getting this off, and then we will put, after I get this off, we will put the bike back together. All right, so let's get this off. You got 1, 2, and then there's 3, 4 bolts, and they look like number 10s. You see me a lot of times like, Mungus, why you don't use a power drill? Why you don't do this? Well, first reason is I don't have it. Second reason is I am a normal guy, and I just want to show people that you can be a normal guy, have normal, the simplest tools, and get the job done. So it's those 4 bolts and this screw. Alright, now I just got to feed these wires through. There we go. Whew. Bam. Now this monstrosity is gone. That actually has a little bit of weight to it. I ain't quite ready to get rid of that yet, but when I get my exhaust system, we're definitely going to get rid of that. Alright, so yep, Dudette, that's pretty much it. Let me get this button back up, and I'll check back in with y'all with the finished product. Hey guys, my camera ended up going dead. So what I am about to do, I'm about to replace this. This is the relay. So with this relay in, you're getting this super fast blinky blink 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 blinky blink 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 blink. So we're going to slow that down back to normal. So let me get the new relay and I'll be right back. All right, dude and dudettes, I actually got this off of Amazon. I will put the part number up if anyone is interested. I was going to order it from another company, and there's nothing wrong with the company. It's just Amazon delivers so ridiculously fast. And I ordered it on a Monday morning, and I had it Monday afternoon. Or excuse me, Monday evening around 6 or 7. That's just, you can't beat. It's really hard to beat Amazon, bro. It is really hard to beat Amazon. So I got this in. So let's double check and make sure it works. Just a note, the stock one does have this rubber sleeve on it. Take that rubber sleeve and transfer it over to this rubber sleeve. How this works is you kind of just plug it in a normal spot, and you see that spot right there. You get a small flathead screwdriver, and that's your potentiometer. You just turn it either left or right to see if it'll make it go faster or slower, and then you pretty much just turn it to your desired speed that you want to have. So we're going to plug it in as is, see where it's at, and then we'll go left or right to see how it goes. But literally, just unplug this, plug this in, and you're done. Okay, we got it plugged in. Let's see what the blinkers look like. That actually seems about the right speed. I don't think I want to change that. Let's go back to the left. I think we're in business. Make sure my hazards work. Bam, we're in business. Once It's raining. Once it cleans up outside and all that stuff, I will show you guys the finished product once we get outside in the sun. But that's it. Whew, so much cleaner.
Thank you for watching, dude. Mungus. Mungus. Thank you for watching, dude. Mungus.